To check your account balance on Sajari, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Sajari account. Visit the Sajari website and enter your login credentials. Make sure to use the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use the SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Access account settings. Find and click on the Account or Settings option in the menu. This section typically contains information related to your account details and balance. Step 4. View account balance. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Account Balance or Billing. Here, you will find your current balance displayed clearly. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your account to keep your information secure. Click on the Log Out option, usually found in the top right corner. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Sajari. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance.